Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How have you been? I hope all are fine and fit. Now, today I am going to talk about some English. Okay, how can I improve? How can speak very well? Okay, so if you are ready to speak in your life, if you are ready to impact in your life, so first time what will I do? What will you do? What should you do? Okay, so in my opinion that if you really to speak in your life, okay, so I think you can some roles maintain. Okay, so without delay, let's go to the start video. Okay, and I requested all of them, if you are really learn to speak, okay, so you can subscribe my channel, okay, so that when I will upload a video, you can get notification. Okay, so how can I improve our spoken English? Okay, friends, believe me, just 1 month. Okay, 1 month you can practice lots of. Okay, everything's listening, YouTube video. Okay, you can YouTube video lots of listening, and after listening this video, you talk to you talk to yourself. Okay, and you will have to practice a lots of. Okay, you can make sentence lots of in your brain if you are ready to speak. Okay, so you can practice lots of. Practice is a most important if you really to speak. Okay, and after practice, okay, uh, after practice you can record in your mobile. Okay, any video you can record in your mobile. Okay, after recording 2 minutes or 3 minutes, okay, to speak, making sentence. Okay, after recording this video, okay, you can see, okay, when will you make sentence. Okay, how many times did you stop, how much you have hesitate. Okay, where are mistakes by you. Okay, so if you do this thing, okay, it will be best for you. Okay, and after you have to listen. Okay, you have to listen lots of. Okay, from YouTube video, listens is a most important part of our life. Okay, and I think uh, you have to speak yourself in front of mirror. You can speak, who can speak very well or not. Okay, and you can speak child persons, because child person are not understand. They are not understand when will you speak. Okay, they are not understand where are your mistake. Okay, they are cannot find it. Okay, so I think it will be best for us. Okay, actually friends, I am speaking. Okay, I am speaking 1 month. It's been 1 month, but I do not know how many days did I need. But I will speak. Okay, and next thing is you will have to imitation. Okay, because imitation part is a very important in our life. Okay, however, if you go anywhere. Okay, some example, if you go if you are going anywhere. Okay, and you can sit a bus. Okay, so around you beside around you, they are which type of conversation they are observing only. Okay, and you can make sentence in your brain. If you think do this, so it will be best for you. Okay, so friends, if you like this video, okay, you can subscribe, like, share also. Okay, so actually I do not know, okay, uh, how many times do I need, I can improve my spoken English, but I will do my best, okay, I can speak, okay, I commitment myself, okay, I will speak, okay, so thank you, I will upload it next video, okay, so take care all of them, all of our, okay, so thank you.